What's going on, everybody? Today we are at the Flamingo, gonna do a room tour of the Go King room with the high roller view in room number 24029. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into this room, you do have somewhat of a small entryway. Immediately to your left is your bathroom with the tempered glass. We'll get there momentarily. But you do walk into the main part of the room, so we'll start here and then work our way into the bathroom. So to your right, passing the entryway, you do have a full body mirror, so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. Gotta be fresh before you hit the strip. And we'll move along over this way and get into our bathroom. So you have a sliding door here to access the bathroom, and then you come into your bathroom. And so you can see it does look a little bit dated, but straight across you have your walk-in shower. So you do have a good size walk-in shower. The tiling does look a little dated. Shower head's a little tiny, but it is a good space. So if you just need to take a shower, it will definitely do its job. And then aside from the walk-in shower, you do have a tub. So if you want to sit in here and soak and relax, you do have a tub to sit in. This is your toilet. And then across you have your sink. So you've got a deep sink. And you have the mirror above. So as you can see, there's one light on, but this one just happens to be off. But so it's a good bathroom. And then below you do have a hair dryer. So if you need to dry your hair after washing it or for whatever kind of spontaneous activities you may be into, you do have a hair dryer there for you. Moving along out of the bathroom, we'll come on over here to the left. This is your work desk space. So if you are here in town or if you just need to set up some things, you have a good counter space for that. And then you do have a chair here so you can sit down and relax. And these are also some drawers. So for whatever reason you need to just put some things in place, you can. This is your phone, but behind this phone, this is the switch. So here, as you see, you have your king size bed. Let me show off the bed real quick. You got a nice king size bed with the signature headboard that I'm pretty sure that everyone sees in the photos. Now these overhead lights, that's what this switch here is for. So you should be able to notice it once you hit the switch down. It instantly changes the lighting over here. And then when you hit the switch, it gives you some lighting. So for this particular room, you're definitely gonna wanna have those lights on so you can have some light, especially if you're trying to take some photos on social media. Get all of the lighting of all of them angles. Directly across from the bed, this is your entertainment space. So as you can see, we've got the 1990s and 2000s stereo entertainment system, but you do have that. You also have a wall mounted flat screen TV, and then down below you have some drawers for storage. So if you need to store some things, you've got four drawers, so you do have a good amount of storage space. And then next to your flat screen TV, this is your closet space. So behind these double doors, you do have your closet. So you've got a good size space. There's your luggage rack. Then over here you have your iron, and then you have your ironing board, and then the iron is hung up on the wall. And then of course up top you have your in-room safe. So if you need to lock up your valuables, you do have a good size space. You can use your room key or you can use a 4-digit code. So that's cool. Probably want to use a code in case you lose your room key. It might be brutal, but then again, a room key might save you in case you get too drunk and forget the code. If you have extra guests, you do have like a chair here. So pretty sure on drunken nights, this would be a good bed for some people to sit back and sleep. But you do have a space for extra guests. Then over here you have another countertop space, so another area if someone wants to sit down and get done or whatever. And then you have a little bench there. This is a empty mini fridge, so if you want to keep your drinks cool, you do have an empty mini refrigerator. And then for the finale, surprisingly to some, you actually have motorized shears and drapes. So we're gonna flip these up, check out the view from this room, which by the way, as you can see right there, that is ice bucket and cups. You do get those. But this is your view. It is a high roller view. So on this side, you can see the actual Flamingo Hotel. I probably should have cut the light off so I can get a night visual of this. But there's the pool down there. And then there is a view of the high roller. So you get a very, very, very nice view from this room. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.